The objectives for this video are to learn how to calculate the mean for a discrete probability distribution and how to calculate the standard deviation for a discrete probability distribution. The discrete probability distribution for the number of girls in a family with 3 children is shown. What is the average number of girls in a family with 3 children? It seems like this average would be 1.5. But it is not possible through experimentation to determine this average. Such a determination would require infinitely many trials of the experiment. Therefore, it is necessary that this average would be determined theoretically. The formula for calculating the theoretical mean for a discrete probability distribution shows that we must sum the products of the values of the random variable and their respective probabilities. So we will multiply each value of the random variable by its associated probability and add them all together. So we have 0 times 1/8 plus 1 times 3/8 plus 2 times 3/8 plus 3 times 1/8. This calculation gives us 1.5 as the average number of girls in a family with 3 children, as we suspected. The mean of a probability distribution is also called the expected value of the discrete random variable. The expected value is expressed as E of x. So we can also interpret this result by saying that if infinitely many families with 3 children were observed, we would expect an average of 1.5 girls per family. What is the variance for the number of girls in a family with 3 children? The formula for the variance is similar to the formula for the mean, except that the values of the random variable are squared, and then the square of the mean is subtracted from the entire sum. So the calculation will be carried out by squaring each of the values of the random variable and multiplying them by their respective probabilities, and then subtracting the square of the mean. This will give us a variance of 0.75. The standard deviation of a probability distribution is found by taking the square root of the variance. So the standard deviation will be the square root of 0.75. This gives us a standard deviation of 0.9 when we round to 1 decimal place. The rounding rule for the mean and the standard deviation for a discrete probability distribution is to round to 1 more decimal place than is found in the values of the random variable. Our random variable values are whole numbers, so we should round our mean and standard deviation to the 10th place. In this video, we learned how to calculate the mean for a discrete probability distribution and how to calculate the standard deviation for a discrete probability distribution.